Hi. So this is the question which was asked in 2014 GATE CSIT. Okay. From data structures, concept is hashing. Okay. In the question he mentioned that hash table size is 9. So here m size is 9, hash table size, and he given a hash function also. So he given hash function, that is h of k equal to key mod 9, that is what k mod 9. Here key is k. Now he given some set of elements. These elements we are going to insert into hash table, but here hash table implementation by using chaining concept. Okay. So here we are going to store the elements by using chaining concept. Okay. So if you know the chaining concept, answering for this question is very simple. So what is asking in the question, whenever collisions is happening, we are going to use chaining concept. That is first thing. Then after that in the question he is asking that, so what are the minimum, maximum and average chain lengths possible in this chaining concept. Okay, that is what we have to identify. So for that let us try to first of all insert these elements in the hash table. Okay. So if you take the hash table, so he mentioned in the question that hash table size is 9. So that is why we taken 9 locations and we are going to give index numbers 0 to 8, so that it will become 9 locations, and we are going to store the elements by using chaining. Now, so if you try to insert the elements in this order by using this hash function where we are going to insert all these elements, let us try to complete that part. Okay. So first of all 5. So 5 is the k value, 5 mod 9, what we are going to get, remainder 5 only, right? That means this element we are going to store at the 5th location, and that too how you are going to store, in a linked list form, that means chaining form. 5 you are going to store here. Now after this, what is the next element? 28. 28 mod 9. 28 mod 9 is what? Remainder is what actually? 9 3s are 27, remainder is 1. So that means in the first location we are going to store 28 by using chaining. Okay. So now next element is 19. So 19 mod 9. So 19 mod 9 is remainder is 1. So you will get the clarity now what is chaining meaning if you don't know earlier. So 19 meaning is, so 19 remainder is 1, that means hash value is 1. That means in the first location we are going to store, but you have already element here. So here already collision is there, but in chaining we don't have any collision concept. If you have a collision, then simply traverse up to the end of the chain. At the end we are going to add that new element simply. Okay. So that is what chaining concept actually. Okay. If you have already elements, there is no problem actually. Simply traverse up to the last of the, simply traverse up to end of the chain, then insert that new element. Next 15. So 15 mod 9, remainder is what? 6, right? That means in the 6th location we are going to insert 15. Next element is 20. So 20 mod 9, 20 mod 9 is 2 actually. So at the second location we are going to store 20. So now if you take the next element, so that is 33. Okay. So 33 mod 9, what is the remainder? So remainder is 6, right? So remainder is 6, that means in the 6th location we are going to store 33. So go to the end of the chain and insert there. Now next element is 12. So 12 mod 5, 12 mod 5 is 3. So 12 mod 5 is 3, that means in the 3rd location we are going to insert 12. Then next element is 17. 17 mod 9 is, remainder is 8 here. So in the 8th location we are going to store 17. Next 10, 10 mod 9, remainder is 1. In the first location come to the end of the linked list, end of the chain, and there we are going to store 10. So this is after inserting all these elements by using this hash function in these 9 locations. Now if you see the question, he is asking minimum chain length, maximum chain length and average chain length in this hash table. Okay. So here minimum chain length. So this chain at the 0th location, what is the chain length? 0 only, there is no element. Okay. Now at the first location, what is the chain length? 3 elements are there, and here 1, here 1, here there is no element, so 0, here 1, here 2, 0, 1 actually. Okay. Now what is the minimum chain length? Minimum chain length is 0, right? Minimum value is 0. Next, what is the maximum chain length? Maximum value in this is 3. Next, what is average chain length? So how you are going to get the average chain length? So average chain length is what? Summation of all these elements by 9 actually, right? So what you are going to get, all total summation 9. So 9 by 9, it will become 1. So this is what the minimum is 0, maximum is 3 and average is 1. Okay. So option A is the right one for this given question. Okay. So here average case, you no need to calculate actually. Average case directly you can fill, because 9 elements are there overally. Because 9 elements are there overally, these 9 elements only you are going to place anywhere in these 9 locations. So definitely total number of elements is 9 only. That means total chain length you will get 9 only. So 9 by total how many locations are there? 9 locations are there in this case. So total number of elements by total number of locations is the direct answer for average. You no need to go for this hash table actually, is it or not? So simply in case of average chain length, how you will get always? How many elements are there overally? How many elements are there totally? That divided by total number of locations. That will give always average chain length. You no need to construct this entire hash table. Only for min and max you have to tell only after construction. Okay. So answer here is 0, 3, 1 respectively for min, max and average chain lengths. Okay.